Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, izolo sikhulume ngendaba kaFloyd ebetrenda ku-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter. Umkhonto wesizwe party kukhipha istatement mayelana nohambo likaFloyd lokuya eMalawi. Sizofunda ke leso statement kule video yamanje. Kanti okunye futhi engifisa ukukhumbuza abantu ukuthi uFloyd kanye noCIC bese ku-EFF bebenobudlelwane kanye noBushiri. Akuyona into entsha. So akungasimangazi ukubusuka kaFloyd aye kuBushiri ngoba bebenobudlelwane. Njengoba ubona nje ku screen sakho ngikufakele lesithombe, ikukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi uFloyd noBushiri bebenobudlelwane ngaphambilini. Ngomhla ka-14 February 2019 isikhathi ku-12:29 emini, uCIC uJulius Silo Malema wabhala kanje: Advovo uthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi nina guys anikho fair kuBushiri. And ngizobhala i-thread ngesonto ukuze nginiphe izathu ezenza ukuthi kungani ngithi anikho reasonable. Angeke mina ngidile nobugebengu bakhe, but ngamane ngikhulume neyinkinga ezithinta spirituality. Lokhu kukuveza ngokusobala ukuthi uCIC wayenobudlelwane noBushiri, ingakho ekuthatha isikhathi sakhe wabhala le tweet emdefender. Nayi ku screen sakho. So ngiyamangala mina ukuthi why mase sekuFloyd uhambile wayobona uBushiri bese kuba sengathi into entshe ekubeni kukhona abantu ababemdefend. Umuntu maye nobudlelwane naye kuumngane wakhe omdala, kungani fanele manje angahlangani naye? Ngoba leyo ukuthi ngoba exabene nondlozi ayikusizi izathu nje ngathi mina sihlakaniphile ngoba phela uFloyd akaxabene noBushiri. So why funeka angene impi kaNdlozi noBushiri? Ekubeni kwaNdlozi yena uzisholo yena ukuthi yena akazange alimention igama likaBushiri. Sizofunda ke indaba ye-statement esikhishwa umkhonto wesizwe party, kodwa ngaphambi sifunda i-statement sizokhuluma nganaso isibhedlela esishilo izolo. Ngithi ngini-update ngaso bese singena endabeni kaFloyd.
Nami ngicabanga
hanyane fela boss. Le kae.
ga ke rekile phone.
Leno ibonayo iThembisa Hospital engapha eGoli endaweni yase-Eastland eKuruleni. So iThembisa le hospital iyasha. So manje ngifuna ukuthi silande kulabo abasebenza khona basitshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngabantu abasesibhedlela. Ba phela isibhedlela sikaze saba empty. Sizwe ukuthi kwenzakaleni, bakhona abadlulile, bakhona abasindile.
Wala kuzama utimatima.
Ya nabona bakari bangena yo mara.
Yeah, so anozama ukuseshare information in case kunabangwana bangana mashaka kwala xibedhlele ba mzuku ba bafikele ba toko kufamba yini mabo. Anti xita tirha na mara ko must be ANC. Ba sa 1 million. Uma sa 2 million wena ANC ba hlu.
Ya. Ya swa chavisa leswi swi vonaka kwalani Matiba mara.
So xavise but and bear in mind ba ta teka 2 years ku ndhawu leyi tsongo to. Ile n'wana movha ya fika mayibo. My boat.
Good evening. We just really want to confirm and assure the public that the fire that started at the Tembisa Accident Emergency this afternoon at about 20 to 5, the fire has since been contained. All patients that were in the accident emergency at the time of the incident, which were about 79 patients, have safely been evacuated and all are accounted for. We are currently busy with the mopping up process of the fire, reaccounting, reassessing the patients, and just doing a quick physical assessment of the accident and emergency area post the fire. We will remain the hospital, the accident emergency area of the hospital will remain on divert until further notice, meaning that we will not receive any other patients for now. Those seeking medical care must go to the nearest facilities. We'll keep the patients and the users of the facility updated of any development. As things stand, the fire was only contained and limited to the accident and emergency area. All other areas of the hospital remain functional, operational. Those that have family members in the hospital must be rest assured that their family members are not in immediate danger and have been taken care of. Thank you.
Sesichazelile kubaba lo ukuthi ama-patient abalela ku-70 or 70 something abo kule emergency block le kuyona eshile bakwazile ukuthi bawakhiphe wonke, alikho nje elivale ngaphakathi, futhi wakubeka ukuthi la ku-affectike leyo ndawo kuphela, lezi ezinye zi-functional. So kodwa ke into enziwa isibhedlela ayisamukeli abantu abazigula ezintsha abeze esibhedlela. So if abantu bafuna ukuya esibhedlela abazama ukusondela ezibhedlela ezinye eziseduze nothi lesi, ngoba leso kwamanje basalwa nesimo, kodwa bafuna ukuqinisekisa nasemndenini enabantu lapha ukuthi izihlobo zabo ziphephile, ngoba umlilo uphelele kuleya emergency section kuphela. Bakwazile ukuthi badile nawo, namanje basahleli khona basazama ukuthi benze isiqiniseko sokuthi umlilo ucishile, futhi bathole nembangela ukuthi udalwa yini. Bazosazisa ke, nami bengithi angi-update ukuthi nansi into eyenzekayo. Ngiyazi ke sizobuyela endabeni kaFloyd manje, kodwa bengithi nale angiyikhave le ndaba ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza amavidiyo amaningi, ngcono ke ngiwahlanganise khona la. Ngiyacela ke subscribe ku channel, ulike ivideo, ucommente, ushare nabanye, bese ke the channel izokwazi ukuthi ukukhula. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kulabo abasubscribile nalabo abasaqhubeka nokusubscribe. Ngiyabonga ngempela, ngibonga ngoba iyakhula le family. Kodwa ngiyacela lapha ku comment section asike sikhulumeni kahle njengoba sikhuluma, singathukani, singalwi. Bakhona ke abantu ovele eze nje nento ayaziyo ukuthi ayisile iqiniso futhi akuwona ama-fact. Hayi, siyacela ungasifeed information wrong. Ungathathi inzondo yakho ngoba uzonda uCIC noma uzonda uFloyd noma uzonda uZuma noma uzonda uRamaphosa bese uzokhuluma amanga ngaye. Uma uzokhuluma into ngoRamaphosa, siphi proof? Uma ukhuluma iproof ngenza umzekelo nje, uma ufuna ukukhuluma ngoRamaphosa neMarikana, siyayazi leyo ndaba leyo, kodwa kungakuhle uquote indaba esiyaziyo esokwazi ukuyireference. Ngoba uma uzothi nje uZuma namagobda angithi ngephi proof ungasanginikeza izoba nenkinga. Asingene endabeni kaFloyd. Istatement leso umkhonto wesizwe phathi uSkiphe ngomhla ka-19 April 2025. Isihloko sithi umkhonto wesizwe phathi distances itself from Secretary General's visit to Shepherd Bushiri's church. Sifundeka kanjena ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe phathi sifisa ukubeka ngokucacile ukuthi sona siyaziqhelelanisa ngamayelana nokuvakasha kuka Secretary General evakashela i-Enlightened Christian Gathering okuyi-ECG, isonto leli liholwa uProphet uShepherd Bushiri eMalawi. Futhi iphathi ifuna ukubeka kucace ukuthi ukuvakasha kuka Secretary General bengathunyiwe noma bekungangconyiwe noma bekangayaleliwe omunye wama leadership or noma amapha ama-official structures we-MK Party. Ukusuka ka Secretary General ehamba eya eMalawi uzihambele yena on his personal capacity ngaphandle kokuthunywa noma azise i-political party. Umkhonto wesizwe phathi uyawuhlonipha umthetho futhi uyayimaintaina i-zero tolerance kunoma iluphi uhlobo lobugebengu, kunoma imuphi umkhakha. Ngesikhathi kwenzeka icase engemukelekile lapho uPresident Zuma khona wathunyelwa ejele ngaphandle kwe-trial ngaphansi kwe-Roman Dutch law, akazange abalekele ijustice, but wahamba waboshwa waserve isikhathi sakhe, noma ke kwakuyi-miscarriage ye-justice and nekuviolate amalungelo abantu nje, human rights. Njengomkhonto wesizwe phathi abavumi noma abaku-opposer ukuhlangana nabantu abangama-fugitives noma abafunekayo emthethweni. Bathi iy'mpande zama-values e-MK Party zihambisana ne-justice nokuba accountable, and baya-rejecta noma imaphi izenzo ezicompromiser isithunzi kanye nama-ethical standard e-movement le. Futhi uqhubeka kuye phambili, Umkhonto weSizwe Party uyayikhondema yonke inhlobo ye-gender-based violence kanye noku-exploiter abantu aba-vulnerable, especially ama-Christians a-innocent, ngokuthi umuntu laba amanipulate ukukhola kwabo enzela ukuthi acebe yena futhi aphule umthetho. Bathi iphathi yethu imi ngakulaba abahlushwayo, futhi ngeke ize ime ngakulaba abasebenzisa ukholo ukuze bavike ngalo ekwenzeni i-fraud, i-abuse, baphinde futhi bamislead umphakathi. Bathi-ke bayakugcizelela i-commitment yabo kwi-leadership ethembekile futhi nakuma-principles e-justice. Banxusa wonke amalungu Umkhonto weSizwe Party kanye nabantu abarepresenta Umkhonto weSizwe Party ukuthi ba-acte noma baziphathe ngendlela ezoreflecta lawo ma-standard kanye ne-responsibility kanye ne-accountability. Iyona-ke incwadi le ephuma kuMkhonto weSizwe Party, kodwa namanje ngisasho, if i-NPA beyine-case against uShepherd Bushiri ngabe bamlandile eMalawi, what happened to innocent until proven guilty? Ngoba phela the way benza ngakhona manje sekungathi uBushiri guilty, kanti there is no court of law emfound guilty. Ngithe izolo mangenza ivideo ngathi uThabo Bester noDr Magudumane Nandipha Magudumane, igovernment of South Africa ngiyacabanga wabalanda ko-Tanzania ukukhombisa khona ukuthi this is just politics, ngoba ukube ngempela i-NPA beyine case against uShepherd Bushiri ngabe bamlandile. Abayeke ukudlala ngathi abantu bezepolitiki, bayeke nje ukudlala ngathi bedlala amagame wabo epolitiki mabefuna uku-attack uFloyd ne-MK Party. Ngiyayibona i-MK Party ukuthi nayo izama ukuvikela isithunzi sayo njenge-political party, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku uFloyd njengoba kuthi uhambe on his personal capacity, azangathi mayijoyina Umkhonto weSizwe Party noma there is no law kwi-constitution Umkhonto weSizwe Party la kuzothiwa khona ayi ndoda manje awusahambi nobani. No, more represent Umkhonto weSizwe Party awukwenza ukuthi, kodwa after lapho une-personal life. Into enhle lapho uFloyd akaze akhulume ngomkhonto weSizwe Party makafike eMalawi, akagqwa ngisho ishirt eline-emblem noma isign yomkhonto weSizwe Party, ubengagqwa ngisho iskipa esine-emblem nesign yomkhonto weSizwe Party, ubeye laphaya eyokhonza. Akaze futhi ngizwe kuthiwa ukhulumile laphaya, bashilo nje kwathi ukhona wabingelela, ayizange mention nakayi-one umkhonto weSizwe Party ngoba ubeye kumuntu ane-relationship naye. So i-government yase-South Africa noma i-NPA if beyine case against uShepherd Bushiri ngabe bamlandile. If uFloyd akwazile uku-access uShepherd Bushiri, i-government yase-South Africa ingahlulwa yini? Ngoba iyamazi ukuthi ukuphi, akacashile, akafani nomuntu okuthiwa uyafuneka akazi ukuthi uyaziwa lo muntu. Every Sunday uconducta ama-church sermons wakhe nama-church services wakhe eMalawi. Bonke abantu bayambuka, bamlandelayo bayakwazi ukumbuka, uposta nawe and then ku-X. Ushuthi i-government yase-South Africa inomthetho, ine-case, a strong case against yena ngaba imlandeli, yakwazi ukulanda uThabo Bester noDr Nandipha Magudumane, ibalanda ko-Tanzania. Sebekude abantu kwakungaziwa bakuphi ababengaposti, kodwa yabalanda. Ukube i-government yase-South Africa beyine-case, manje they are just playing politics. Lena i-politics, government yase-South Africa ayina case against uShepherd Bushiri. So ilokho mina engikucabangayo, kodwa nawe nje kubheke, ngifisa nje nawe ukubheke ngokwakho. Asike sithi-ke mina ngisayidini lokudefend uFloyd, usinomthetho othi innocent until proven guilty. Which court of law eke yamthola guilty uShepherd Bushiri? Sizovuma ukuthi phela he's guilty, uyi-fugitive, ubalekile. Yiphi court of law yake yamthola guilty? Azahambe la eSouth Africa, uphumile uhamba, uma wayephume ngokungemthetho bahlulwa yini kumlando, buhambe ngo-2021 la eSouth Africa, 2021. So abalwa izimpi zabo noBushiri bangafuni uku-involve abanye abantu. Mina ngimsoli uFloyd ngoba uFloyd uya kumuntu ane-relationship naye, whether yokusebenza, whether yokukhonza, whether yani, kodwa une-relationship naye. Into engiyithandile nakho uyambona ku-screen, akafakanga isheti lelatshwala ukulifaka ne-emblem yomkhonto wesizwe party. Ulapha uFloyd akasuka secretary general uFloyd Nyiko Shivambu. If i-government yase-South Africa beyine-case against or i-NPA beyine-case against uShepard Bushiri ngabe kudala bamlanda. Ngisaphinda futhi bamlanda uDr Namdipha Magudumane kanye noThabo Bester babalanda ko-Tanzania. Bebengahlulwa yini ukulanda uShepard Bushiri bemazi ukuthi kuphi na? This is just politics. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.